Welcome, dear moms. Take a slow deep breath with me. Today, we will calmly go through how to assemble and use your manual breast pump comfortably and safely. Start by washing your hands and ensuring your pump parts are clean. Lay the parts on a clean surface. Identify the valve, breast shield, pump body, handle, and bottle. Insert the silicone valve into the pump body. Press it firmly. Attach the breast shield to the front opening. Screw the bottle onto the bottom. Connect the handle at the top and gently test it. Now everything is assembled. Sit somewhere quiet and comfortable. Relax your shoulders and breathe slowly. Place the shield gently over your nipple. It should fit naturally. Begin squeezing the handle slowly. The first pumps may not produce milk immediately, and that is okay. Stay patient. Keep a steady rhythm. If you feel pain, reposition the shield. Pumping should not hurt. Manual breast pumps are quiet and easy to control. They are perfect for young moms who need a simple solution. Breastfeeding supports your baby's immune system and helps with healthy weight gain.